With SmartView Ad Hoc Standard Mode, you get enhanced ad hoc capabilities that closely align with classic Essbase behavior and support modern usability improvements that are not available in the legacy native mode. First, let's ensure Standard Mode is enabled. Navigate to Application, then Settings. Scroll down to SmartView Ad Hoc Behavior and use the dropdown to select Standard Mode. Save your changes. Let's review these enhanced Essbase parity features in SmartView Ad Hoc Standard Mode. With Standard Mode, POV members display directly in your grid's first row rather than in the POV toolbar. This eliminates confusion about where you're querying in the database and lets you see all members by default on your sheet, just like in Essbase. You can type or select members using this cell-based POV. The Submit Data button now submits all modified cells, including smart list and text values, and automatically refreshes the grid afterward. This ensures your data is current immediately after submission, streamlining your workflow. With Freeform mode, you can start with a completely empty sheet, type in members anywhere, and then select Ad Hoc Analysis. SmartView automatically detects the connection and fills in the grid boundaries. You can now save ad hoc grids and open them interchangeably between SmartView and the web interface. This interactivity ensures seamless collaboration across platforms. Standard Mode supports multiple independent ad hoc grids per worksheet for both aggregate and block storage cubes. You can now query multiple databases or cubes on the same sheet, similar to Essbase behavior, giving you powerful comparative analysis capabilities. Select multiple row or column member cells simultaneously to perform zoom in, zoom out, keep only, or remove only operations. Standard Mode provides additional zoom options including sibling level, and same generation. These advanced options give you precise control over how you drill into your data hierarchy. Display both member names and their aliases side by side. This is especially helpful when migrating Essbase worksheets to Freeform, as the database member name, often a code, appears alongside the more descriptive alias name. When your administrator enables the Keep Invalid Members option, you can retain invalid members in your grid after refresh. This helps you detect and troubleshoot issues without losing your work. SmartView treats invalid members as comments, and you can apply cell formatting to make them stand out. In SmartView options under the Advanced tab, the Refresh Saved Sheet as Is checkbox is enabled by default. This ensures SmartView refreshes saved worksheets without overwriting data or changes made outside SmartView prior to refresh, perfect for retaining updates from non-SmartView users. For more details on these features, check the documentation links in the description. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.